Bye. Remain seated with your hands and feet inside the car at all times.
Wrong. For your safety.
Oh. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and arms inside the boat at all times. Oh! Oh, was that always there?
No. Nothing makes you think of Aquaman like
Yeah. Extensive theming. No crossed out fishing, so fishing is allowed.
they replaced the wood on the pump house.
Beautiful piss water in here.
I have not taken the lawnmower off here. It looks like all season.
I don't know, this looks freshly mowed.
Remain in your seats.
Oh, what are these yellow lines? Oh. Thanks, Nicole. Did you see? Oh! Did you see they were strapped in?
Yeah, they got the harness now. I mean, let's not make the...
That's got to make it a little bit harder to piss in the trough if you're strapped in.
I bet it's a safety if you take it off, too.
Yeah. Don't need it to climb up, just when you're standing there. Oh good, we're gonna get some full brake action. Oh! Oh! So ready. Thank you. Woo! Woo! Oh, thrilling. Stop 6-7ing the kids. That was all right. That was better than my loggers ride.
Watson sucked for a long time.
Yeah. Oh.